Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off Safety Check on your iPhone. If you're having trouble with this feature, don't worry, just follow these easy steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and find the Security and Privacy section. Within Security and Privacy, scroll down until you see Safety Check and tap on it. If you need to immediately revoke access for all people and apps, tap on Emergency Reset. This will remove all shared data and reset all permissions for your device. If you want more control, select Manage Sharing and Access instead. This will allow you to review and adjust who has access to your information and connected devices. To turn off check-in, go to the Messages app, find the conversation with the contact you previously sent a check-in to, and tap on the check-in option. You should see an option to turn off check-in. Tap on it to disable the feature. If you want to turn it back on later, you can do so by tapping the plus icon in Messages and scrolling down to select Check-in. And that's it. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Error Genie for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.